Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you guys are returning, then welcome back. Today I wanted to film this video with you guys. So this is the current situation in our closet. So I basically have all of our jeans hanging like this, but I bought new hangers. I was trying to look for hangers that look like this, but I couldn't find any, and I really don't want to have them hanging with these hangers. So let me show you guys the ones I bought. Really hope these are enough because I only bought 20 of these. These are, I bought them on Amazon. These are 20 wooden pants hangers, and I couldn't find any in the color black, so that's why I got the wooden ones that are like a dark brown. And I got this box like 2 weeks ago, and it's been sitting there. So let me show you guys. Look how pretty these are. So these are the wooden hangers, and they're pretty sturdy. I really like these. I have, like I said, I have these old ones right here, but I might just buy everything like this. For now, I'm gonna just use some here and then the rest on my side. But yeah, anyways guys, if you guys are interested, let's just get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Such nice hangers. Again, our jean situation was just not working out, but look how pretty it's gonna look now. I know some of these he doesn't wear anymore, but maybe he'll start wearing them now that he can see what jeans he has. Look how much nicer it looks. And then, like I said, up here on this rack, I'll put his work ones and it'll look nice. And then on as far as my side, look at this. Such a disaster. I have them hanging like this, but I think I'm going to change them like this so it can look nicer.
so long.
I was like, this looks like I'm at the store and I'm gonna shop for jeans and I have options. So let me show you guys. Right, and then there are his work jeans under the... Continue this video. I had to stop it because I ordered some new hangers because I didn't have enough. Like I said, the ones that I did yesterday, I used them all on Hera section, but I got new ones. These are the ones that I got. These are for jeans, and these I got them on Amazon. I'm putting the link on the description box. So these are so cute. And these are all my jeans. So this is how I currently have them, which I don't like because now I like how I put Hera. So I'm just gonna take them out of these. And these hangers that I have, I'm not gonna use them anymore, so I'm just gonna donate them, give them away. And I'm also giving away some of, well, I'm donating some of Hera's too that he doesn't use anymore. And the same, like on Hera's side, we're gonna buy a longer pole so that the jeans can fit on there better. But yeah, guys, I have less jeans than Hera, so he has way more jeans. I don't know why he has way more jeans, but yeah, guys. I also have my PJs up here and some sweats. I will also be getting rid of some of those because I don't have a lot. I just have way too much, so let's just get started. Here I have my PJs, and then I have leggings and like my leggings and like my gym pants, and then I have a lot of sweats that I'm gonna get rid of because I don't want a lot of sweats. And it just, look at, it's all the way up there, guys. So I'm gonna start off with my PJs. And they're so soft and they're not see-through. So if you guys are looking for some nice, affordable, and they come in a pack, so that's a great thing. and they have a lot of colors. So if you guys are looking for some, definitely recommend them. I have a ton of those, and I honestly wear them every day. And then these are a little bit thicker, but they're all leggings, and I wear leggings every day, guys. These are some new gym ones. So my newest ones I'm going to put here. The newer ones. And then I bought these cute, this cute set, and then I have the sports bra. Look how cute this is. I bought this at JCPenney. I wear these. I'm going to put them up there because those are new. More gym ones. And more. Alright, I think that's it. Oh, and then these here, I'm going to put in the middle. So I have my PJs, and then my leggings, and my gym ones. And then over here at the end, I'm going to put my sweats. They're so soft. I don't want to hang these. I'm just gonna put them. It sucks because this rack is a little tiny, so it looks like they're hanging out, but I'm gonna give these away. I have these from Yvette XO. Who remembers these? When she dropped these with the hearts. She's my favorite. These are also very comfy, and I've washed them a few times and they're still great. She's a really good quality one. These I'm going to give away. I didn't wear them. This I'm going to give away because I haven't really worn this. These I like because these are sweats just to be at home. Definitely keeping these. These I'm keeping because they're from the Chicago Bulls. I like these too. These Nike ones are so comfy. I thought I wasn't going to keep a lot, but I am. So this is the final look of my jeans. So this is how I set it up. So I went from lightest and then to darkest, and then the brown one I just put it on towards the end because that's like my dressy section. And then up here I have my PJs, and then I have my leggings, and then sweats. But yeah, guys, look how much nicer and they look nice. They don't look cluttery. Like, I had a mixture of all those. These look better. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me show you Hera side. So this is my side, and then light. And this is Hera side. So when you walk in, it just looks much nicer. It seriously looks like I'm at the store and I'm gonna go buy some jeans. But that, and then this side. So yeah, guys, it looks much better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to click the description box so you guys can go shop for these hangers. Again, I love them. They're sturdy, and then they also have this like plastic. Let me show you. I forgot to show you that. So on this bar, it has like a plastic right here so that your jeans won't get ruined and so that they won't crease. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.